Good day everyone! Today, I will review the 2018 thriller horror movie Unfriended Dark Web, directed by Stephen Sosko. This film revolves around a group of friends who find themselves in danger after one of them, Mateas, takes home a laptop he found. Mateas, played by Colin Woodell, hopes to use the laptop to improve communication with his girlfriend, Amaya, who is unfortunately deaf. The group of friends includes Serena, Nari, Damon, AJ, and Lex, who are all on a video call when they discover disturbing files on the laptop. They realize the laptop is connected to a criminal group operating on the dark web. The film focuses on how the characters struggle to survive while dealing with hackers who use technology to trap and harm them. It is a suspenseful and intense movie that explores the dangers of technology when used irresponsibly or maliciously. The movie touches on several trends in information and communication technology, making it relevant to today's digital age. One clear example is convergent technology. The characters use a video conferencing platform that integrates multiple features like video, audio, and chat, showing how technology allows for real-time communication and collaboration. The film also highlights the role of social media, specifically forums and media sharing platforms on the dark web. These platforms are used by the hackers to organize illegal activities and communicate anonymously. This shows the double-edged nature of social media. While it connects people, it can also enable harmful activities when not regulated. Another ICT trend in the movie is assistive media. Mateas uses software that translates written messages into sign language to communicate with Amaya. This demonstrates how technology can be a tool for accessibility, but the film also shows how such tools can be compromised by cyber criminals, reminding us of the importance of securing even assistive technologies. Unfriended Dark Web does an excellent job of illustrating the dangers of the internet, particularly the risk of interacting with the dark web. One major internet threat depicted is malware. The stolen laptop is infected with spyware, allowing the hackers to monitor everything the group does. This spyware enables them to invade the characters' privacy and manipulate their actions, showing how dangerous it is to use devices that may be compromised. Another key threat is phishing, specifically spear phishing. The hackers use personal information about Mateas and his friends to manipulate them. For example, they exploit Mateas' relationship with Amaya to create fear and tension, making it easier to control him. The film also highlights the dark web, which is a hidden part of the internet used for illegal activities. It shows how unregulated platforms allow cyber criminals to operate anonymously, engaging in hacking, trafficking, and other crimes. The movie serves as a warning about the risk of accessing parts of the internet that are unregulated or unsafe. The movie teaches several lessons. First, it shows the importance of securing your devices and data to protect your privacy. Simple steps like using strong passwords and avoiding suspicious activities online can reduce risks. Second, it emphasizes the need to avoid illegal or unverified content on the internet. Accessing this led to harmful consequences, even if it is accidental. Finally, the film reminds us to be responsible with technology. While it has many benefits, it also creates opportunities for criminals to exploit people. By being cautious, we can avoid falling victim to this risk. In summary, Unfriended Dark Web is not just a horror film, it is a reminder to stay careful and responsible when using the internet. That's all, and thank you for listening.